Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. I just averaged in around 600 million more Dogelon to my portfolio. Small bags, but I just wanted to get my feet wet, lower my average a tad tiny bit. However, I am about to go over what I am looking for. Pretty much, I was just gonna do this by myself, but I'm slinging on the video so you guys can kind of see how I see where is the best times to get in. So currently, this is what we're looking at. This is what I like to do. I want to drop time frames because I really want to see some more action here. We are seeing hefty volume down here, which is a great sign showing that this is support, and we have buyers stepping in. Now, this little bit, we have dropped to the 786 level. We are holding at the 786 currently. We saw a major drop here, major buys stepping back in, creating this candle. Now, we want to close this candle above the 720 level in order for this to confirm that the 786 level or 618 level is a nice Fibonacci retracement level. We're holding above the 0.5s if we close above the 720 level. That is very, very minuscule. However, I'm really hoping I can get back down into these 5s, right? I didn't buy in on these 5s. I know some people who did get in on these 5s, those of you in the Patreon. Congratulations, my friends. That's a very nice buying opportunity. It would be really nice to average in down here and get that low of a price. However, I'm going to zoom out a little bit and just put into perspective what we need to be watching out for. What I need to be watching out for. This is pretty much a video of what I would look at whenever I am considering averaging in. And the reason why I want to look at the price action is to see if I should average more in now or just keep averaging consistently in if I think it's going to drop even more. However, I want to get my feet wet, so I did average a little bit in just to commit myself into putting more bags into this. So, look, this is what we're looking at here. 786 level Fibonacci. We have tested it, created a nice red hammer with major buying pressure, major buying volume compared to previous levels. So this, in my opinion, is a great buying opportunity. And I'll probably just looking at this average probably another billion or so more. And then continue to average in whatever else I have left in my Gemini wallet because I just transferred an Ethereum over. So it should be pretty nice. Ethereum's very cheap. Everything's very, very inexpensive right now. So consider, getting in anything, honestly. Ethereum would be a good hold, long-term hold. This is a good 10x hold. Now, do I believe it's going to become the next Ethereum? Absolutely not. However, I do believe once the market starts reversing again, then we shall see coins like this, meme coins, take off again. Especially the smaller cap ones. We are currently sitting around a $389 million market cap, which is a beautiful thing. Once we go up to a billion again, which is right around these 20 areas, that simply means if you get in here, you just about 2x, 2.5x your money. So a 10x is not far away anymore. Very, very, very quick to come. Getting in here will be a nice decision if you choose to do so. I will most likely average more in right after I cut this video. Got to do it on my phone because the computer's acting weird. However, that's all I needed to look for right there. Now, I would like to see it hold above these 720 levels, which we just broke, which is a beautiful thing. I'm going to drop back down to the 30 minutes because 30 minutes are very, very important for getting the best price. Now, we are creating a little bowl formation here. Volume thickening up. We are moving higher. We've broken previous resistance, and we are holding above this previous candle here. Above this support here, so it looks nice. It looks like I'm averaging in more right now. Creating higher lows, great thing. Now we could come up. Our next point of resistance will be around these 769 levels. And that's a point of selling pressure that we need to watch. But averaging here will be a nice move. And I'm about to average more in, my beautiful friends. Crypto billionaire 69. Back. Or out. I'm out, my friends. Peace. Join the Patreon. Real-time buy and sell alerts. Great community. And we got a bunch of smart people in there. Woo. Peace, guys.